Welcome everybody. Today is the second day or the second week of the React training, and we will start by revising what we have covered last week. Let's see what we have covered last week from this markdown text. Yeah, we talked about what's React, and I think by now you know React is a JavaScript library that allows you to build reusable user interfaces. Yeah, why you chose or we chose to learn React because React is modular, easy to maintain, and there's also a huge community. In addition that, many companies are using it, so it's easy to get a job. And then we learn also about JSX. Actually, the smallest unit of React component is JSX. So JSX, last time we said that JSX is a JavaScript extension or JavaScript XML. It is a mix of JavaScript and HTML. This JSX means. And then after that, we saw also components. That's what we covered. So let's go here and let's create a new file, and we call this file revision. Maybe I think it's better to put the revision part in the second week, and that makes sense better, right? Okay, let's see. Let's create week 2. And we don't have anything here, and then let's create revision.html. And just to make it to be a bit faster, I can just generate this. For some reason change it to, let me change it, yeah, so HTML, then if you click here, it generates for me, and I call it revision. Getting started React, and I call it revision because today is revision day, right? Is it clear so far, guys?
Yes.
Okay, great. Then if you remember, we have one div here, yeah? And we gave it an ID, and the ID was root. And then we have to create also script. This script, we can write JavaScript code. We can write JavaScript code here, right? Yeah, but it doesn't allow us to write React code. So, but first let's run this, yeah? I think I can just highlight this, and then I can just click over there. Yeah, and then Control-Shift-I will open the console. As you can see now, we can write just code coming from the revision.html file. That's great. Now let's, why is it too big? It seems really big. Okay, and then let me just push this to the other side. Okay, but last time, if you remember, we go to React, and not the tips, React.js. Maybe I have to write React.js. We go here, and we were looking for somewhere, I think, tutorials. And when we search for that, I think I have to make it a bit bigger because it's not easy to see. Maybe documentation and have you seen CDN. And by the way, last week I was trying to check the version. Where can the version we get? And then I couldn't manage to get it, if you remember. Actually, it's here. As you can see, currently the latest version is 17.02. Is that my internet or something? I have never seen like this before. What is this? It's taken forever. But anyway, so as you can see, the latest one is here. We have here for the time being latest